Hey, Finn. Finny, are you having tummy time? Are you reading your book? How's that going? Oh, you're doing good, buddy. You're doing great. Keep it up. Oh, yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, buddy. You gonna roll over? Who is that? Is that you? Good job, Stinker. You're doing great. Keep it up. You're doing great. Uh-oh. Are we almost done with tummy time? If you just roll over, you'll be happy. That's it, buddy. Good job. Good job, bud. Hi. Hi. I see you. I see you. You can do it. Uh-oh. Hi. Hi, Stinker. Hi, Stinker. Alright, this is good progress. We'll catch up with you later.